How to download Python? Download Python. First, you should download Python for free on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Let's see how. First, go to google.com and type Python. Then press enter. And then choose the first one. And then put the mouse on downloads and choose your operating system, either Windows or Mac or either Linux. If you have Linux or Macintosh, it should be already installed on your computer. But you have to make sure that 3.6 or more, the newest version. After downloading, install it on your computer.